Welcome to the wonders of the forest, where magic grows beneath the canopy. Introducing Wet Mountain Mushrooms Lion's Mane and King Trumpet Mushroom Grow Kits, your gateway to nature's own superfood. With our easy-to-use kits, you can bring the enchantment of the forest right into your home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice explorer, growing lion's mane and king trumpet mushrooms has never been simpler. Just add a sprinkle of water and a dash of love, and watch as these magnificent mushrooms flourish before your eyes. In just a few weeks, you'll be harvesting your own delicious gourmet mushrooms, bursting with flavor and nutritional benefits. Known for their unique taste and remarkable health benefits, these mushrooms are prized for their ability to support cognitive function, boost immunity, and promote overall well-being. Whether sautéed, grilled, or added to your favorite dish, these culinary delights are sure to elevate your culinary creations to new heights. So why wait? Experience the magic of lion's mane and king trumpet mushrooms with Wet Mountain Mushrooms Grow Kits today. Bring nature's bounty to your doorstep and embark on a journey of flavor, health, and wonder. Wet Mountain Mushroom, where the forest meets your kitchen.